Hello gaties and lentilmen, welcome to another video. In the last few months, you have probably been hearing a lot of stuff about agents like ACBuy, MuleBuy, or HIPOBUy. HIPOBUy. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the best agent right now, which is HIPOBUy. I'll be showing you everything from signing up for free coupons, which by the way include a 25% off coupon for your shipping, finding links to items, how to order your items safely, handle them in the warehouse, for example, if you want to return it or have other issues with your items, and finally shipping it out to your house. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to the first link in my description and sign up to HIPOBUy. That'll give you 25% off shipping, which is currently the best coupon available for HIPOBUy. You can only use it once though, so I would recommend you to make a new account for every few hauls. If you're on my beacons, it will be the first link there too. Obviously for signing up, you have to fill out your email and so on, but I think that's common sense. Once you have HIPOBUy set up and going, you can check your account dashboard and go to your coupons. Now you will see the 25% one right there with some other nice coupons as well. Second step would be to find your products that you want to order. For that, you can check out my spreadsheet that I created with over 6,000 total finds. Essentially, I got all sorts of items there ranging from shoes, shirts, hoodies, jackets, pants, shorts, sets, accessories, gym, blind boxes, literally everything you could think of. I have had this spreadsheet for over a year now and it gets updated every day. Another method is to check out this website, which is basically a spreadsheet but way easier to navigate on your phone or computer. If you can't find anything there, you can head to my Discord server Hidden Finds, where you can ask me for specific products. I also run a ton of giveaways there, like right now, so definitely join it. Anyways, let's say for example you want to get this hoodie. You're just going to click on the link and select your color and size. I'll just take black and M for this one. But on a few links there will be some weird sizes like 1, 2, 3, or sizes that start at M and go all the way to XXXL. So you should always scroll down on your link until you see a size chart and just pick your size from there with the measurements given. Then click Add to Cart and you are basically done. When you have your whole haul ready to order, go to your cart and then you can select the ones you want to order and therefore ship to the warehouse. For me, I'm going to click on this hoodie and ski mask just to show you. But before you ship them out, you can actually click on this estimation button at the top. And what this will do is estimate how much all of these products will cost to ship to your house. So in my case, I'm going to select Germany and the weight of my whole parcel. Now you may think, how the fuck do I know how much each product in my haul weighs? I got you. For that, you can head to this website, finds.fit. On this site, head to the tools section and click on weight estimator. Once you roughly know the weight of your haul, you can go back to HIPOBUy and put it in the freight estimator there. Just ignore the product type and length parameters. This doesn't affect anything for your estimate. If you click on the estimate button, it will show you all shipping lines possible to ship out your haul. So here for the top one, it's $97 for an 8-kilogram haul with the coupon applied that you got by signing up. That's all for now, so just click on checkout. Obviously, you have to fill out your address, which I'm blurring out here, of course. After that, click agree and submit your order. Over here, you will select your payment method. Anyways, you're just going to click pay now and your order is done. So once you pay for your items, you need to wait for it to get to the warehouse of HIPOBUy. And usually the product has tracking. So it goes from ordered to shipped, which means it's on the way to the HIPOBUy warehouse, and finally warehouse stored, which explains itself, I think. And you can check your QC pictures then too. If you aren't happy with the quality, you can contact your agent here and tell them to return it. But if you are happy and have all your items on received, you can start to ship out your haul. As you can see, here's my warehouse tab. I got all of these items right here. So I'm going to select those that I want to ship out. You will have two options right here, so I'm going to explain them. Submitting a parcel is basically just paying your shipping based on a potentially inaccurate estimated price. This won't have a big impact, but if you want to make sure you get the best price, you should go on Rehearsal. They will pre-pack your haul into a parcel so you know the accurate shipping price, and then you can pay the cost and ship it out. Now going to the delivery route here, you have a lot of options. But what I recommend is going with the cheapest one that delivers the quickest. As you can see, my parcel is now done with Rehearsal. It took less than a day to do, so I'm going to click on View Results or Submit Parcel, and you will be able to see all the extra features you applied for your parcel. So in my case, corner protection. Now to see the price before shipping it out, I'll go on Choose Mailing Route, and you see all these options available here. Now this one is actually the cheapest available, but I won't choose that one since it's not reliable. With the 25% coupon you got by signing signing up, it will cost $87 with the best possible route. Now, normally you could use the 25% coupon for parcel, but I already used mine, so I don't have the option anymore and have to pay full price. That's why I recommend making a new account for every few parcels you ship out. Either way, now you have to click pay and do the usual process. That is basically everything. Now your haul will be getting shipped out to your home very soon, and a tracking number will appear that you can use to check the status of your package. I'm blurring mine out, of course, here. The tracking on HIPOBUY itself isn't always updated the fastest. That's why you can copy your parcel number or the shipping number and paste it into the logistics tracker on HIPOBUYspread.com. Now just wait until your haul arrives and enjoy!